Hello students, hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. Today I am going to explain you lesson 15. Name of a lesson is our community buildings. Before going to the explanation part of this lesson, as I mentioned you a number of times, first you should understand the meaning of our lesson. Then you can understand lesson easily. Let me explain you the meaning of community. And here you all are aware of buildings. Now I am going to explain you the meaning of community. Listen it and understand. A group of people living in a same place or having a particular characteristic in common. Meaning of community is what? A group of people living in the same place or having a particular characteristic in common. Got it, the meaning of it? Now listen the explanation part of this lesson. A community is a group of people living at a place in an organized group. If someone asks you what is community, then you can go with this answer. A community is a group of people living at a place in an organized group. Besides houses, there are other buildings too in the area. Right? Beside our houses, there are other buildings too in the area. They are useful for all the members of the community. There are also many common facilities including roads, water, electricity, public transport, education, police service, postal service, etc. It is the duty of government to provide these services. Got it? These all are the duties of government to provide these services. Municipal community or municipal corporation provides civil amenities to the major cities and towns. This municipal corporation and municipal communities. Gram Panchayat offer similar services to people living in the village. Got it? Gram Panchayat offer similar services to people living in the village. Let us know a little more about these common community facilities and the place where they are available. In this lesson you are going to understand. How you can understand? If you are going to listen the explanation part, then only you can understand. Post office. First you are going to understand about post office. A post office is a community building from where we can send and receive letters and parcels. Post office comes under community building. Keep in your mind. If someone asks you to give 4 to 5 examples of community building, then go for post office, bank, and many more are there. We can buy postcards, inland letters, envelopes, etc. From here we can buy these all things. We can send telegram or any urgent letter by speed post. Where we can do this? In post office. People can open a saving account here just as they can do in a bank. People can also open a saving account in the post office. Every town, city and village is linked with the National Postal Network. There are post offices in all parts of the country. There are post offices in all parts of the country. The letter which post in the letter box are collected by the postman at the fixed time and then taken to the post office. If you are going to post a letter to your friend, then the postman comes at the fixed time where you have posted. You usually post a letter in a post box. So postman have a fixed time to come over there and he takes that letter. Then they are sorted out according to the destination before being sent by air, land or sea. On reaching the destination, they are sorted out according to the area where they have to be delivered. The terms of postmen then set off for their separate localities and delivers the letters or parcels at the people's doorstep. Very true. We receive our letters by postman, and that too at our doorstep. The post office help us to communicating with our friends. The post office help us in communicating with our friends, relatives, business partners and other important people. So this was the explanation part of community building, and that too post office. I explained you about post office today. Here HW includes this activity part 2. Activity part also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.